Hey guys, this is Sonic 3D Blast Dudes back again. I am on the Brooklyn bound 4 train where I left Fulton Street. The next stop is going to be Wall Street. Right now, it's a process of helping some people get to Borough Hall, which is in Brooklyn and it's 3 stops away. Okay, we are now leaving Bowling Green. That means we're leaving Manhattan and entering Brooklyn. And the next stop is going to be Borough Hall.
Borough Hall. Transfer is available to the 2, 3, and R trains.
Alright, here we are, Borough Hall. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.